G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Now we're doing a floor, which some people out there have asked more, asked for me to do more floors. Hey Chriso, can you do more floors? You're skipping over them. Well, I skip over them. Maybe I have been. I haven't really noticed, but it's just something I find pretty simple, and not realizing that more people want to see it. So here we go. My set out, people, before I go any further. Where the hell is the tape? The length of my room. This is the laundry. Is 2850 or 2860, whatever, close enough. 28. So 6 fours are 24, they're 600 by 600 tiles. 6 fours are 24. If I start here, I've got to cut at that end of 400, which is cool. And if I lay a full tile against there, what's that, 1700? So 6 threes are 18. There's 1200. That's 2 tiles wide, and I've got a cut of nearly 500, which is cool. So you just start where it's the easiest, because I need to work my way out to a door. You don't start here. Well, you could, because you've got that other door there, but if you only had this door, you don't start here and work back. No, that's working yourself into a corner. So you've got to start that side there. See my finger? There. And you work your way out. So I've got nice big cuts everywhere. It's going to work out brilliant. This is a 15mm trowel. I don't need a straight edge or a line or anything like that. I'll lay them straight, don't you worry about that. Now see, there's always there's a grain in these tiles, and the whole house, like the ensuite that I've done, is running that way. This will match it. And then when I do the ensuite, it'll all be running that way. When I do the toilet, it's all running that way. So the whole house the grain is going the same way. That could be a little outer square, so you split the difference. I've got a tile going on top, so if I'm not quite touching, I'm touching in the corner, but I'm not quite touching out here, it doesn't matter, because I've got a tile going over it. And the couch potatoes are saying, oh shit, he's not back buttering. I've been a professional tiler for, it's over 35 years now. I've been a professional tiler for over 35 years. I have tiled shopping centres, I've tiled railway stations, I've tiled mega amounts of units and houses and that sort of thing. I have never back butted yet. The rule of thumb is you go for 90%, you try for 90% coverage of glue. That has been in the book of rules for years. With a 15mm trowel, you've got that easy. With that tile I just laid down there, I could see it wanted to, like that wall is slightly out of square to this one. This is the longest wall, so that's the one you go off. People don't always waterproof a bathroom in the time it takes. Why the hell not? You're not going to get the amount of water. Look and see your grain. You're not going to get the amount of water that you get in a bathroom, and when you get a bit of a flood in your laundry, it's oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, the washing machine's leaking, and it's fixed. It's never continuous water, but it still doesn't hurt to waterproof your laundry, people. So all those couch potatoes that are saying, oh shit, he hasn't back butted, carry on sitting on the couch. I don't agree with daubing tiles, no. These days there's no need to daub your tile anymore. A lot of contractors still do. They think it's faster. They think they're saving glue. Not really. God, come on. Jesus. Right, I'll do these two. I could have worked back, but I've got a cut for my waist, so I'll do these two, and then I've got something to go off. I can put my tile against the one that's laid and get it right. Mark the waist cut in the right position. I just zapped out for some more tiles. You watch which way the grain's going, and whooshka. See how I never ever people trowel out too much glue. Never ever. I always put glue on my tiles and then slap it on the wall, and when I'm doing floors I never trowel out more glue. Yes, it's quicker, but I'm in a hot climate and my glue can skin very easy. If I'm outside doing a pool area, which I sort of I choose a lot of my work, and I don't do pools anymore because it's too hot. If I was when I was 30 or 40, I used to bounce all over them, but too bloody hot outside. Anyway, if I was doing tiles outside, you try for the shady spots, but if you're in the sun, you're troweling out one tile at a time, and it goes straight down, and the sun hasn't been on it, so the tile is not hot. If you have a hot tile that's been in the sun and you pop, it will skin and be drummy every time. This is Chris O. See you soon.